Let's unbox some animal toy figurines. We have some wild animal toys in this wild animal playset. Some farm animal toys in this farm animal playset. And some sea animal toys in the sea animal playset. So let's unbox and review these animal collection. We'll be unboxing the sea animal playset first. Let's see which sea animals are there. A crab. A crab. A dolphin. A dolphin. A blue whale. A blue whale. A sea lion. A sea lion. A lobster. A lobster. A whale. A humpback whale. A stingray. A stingray. A sea snail. A sea snail. An eel. An eel. Octopus. Octopus. A starfish. Orca whale. An orca whale. Gray shark. Gray shark. A sea turtle. A sea turtle. Now let's unbox some farm animal toys. We have lots of farm animal toys in this farm animal playset. Our first animal is a pig. A pig. A rabbit. A rabbit. A donkey. A donkey. A sheep. A sheep. A cow. A cow. A buffalo. A buffalo. Horse. Horse. Now let's unbox some Wild Safari Zoo Animal playset. We have lots of zoo animals and wild animals in this playset. So let's learn the names of these figurines and review them. First animal is a rhinoceros. A rhino. A zebra. A zebra. A giraffe. A giraffe. A wolf. A wolf. A tiger. A tiger. An elephant. An elephant. A hippo. A hippopotamus. A lion. A lion. An alligator. An alligator. A panda. A panda. A pangolin. A pangolin. That's it for today's unboxing video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.